Hello, I'm John Kelly of the Kelly Law Team, and I want to talk to you about bicycle accidents. If you were on the road and you got hit by a vehicle, if you were riding a bicycle, you can understand that these cases are becoming more and more common. Especially in Arizona, the streets are set up in a situation where we do see a lot of bicycle accidents. The injuries in these cases are often very severe, and my clients, when they do come in, we have to make sure that they're getting the treatment that they need from the doctors, and they feel assured that they're going to have the insurance that's going to cover their bills. Another issue that we see is that oftentimes a bicycle accident on the road, the person that hits you will give you their information and leave the scene. One of the things that you want to be aware of is that it's better to call the police if you can right off the bat. But if you don't have that evidence, if the police didn't come to the scene, we can also track back, and oftentimes I have an investigator that can go to the scene, interview potential witnesses that you may have, and we come up with creative ways of making sure that we're establishing liability. You're often the most important witness in your case. Documenting what happened, going back, going through the scene is very important so that we can establish liability to get you the most compensation possible. The ways to get compensation in a bicycle accident is to make sure, one, you're establishing your liability, you're going to get your treatment, and then you're making a successful claim to the insurance company. And to do that, we need to make sure that you're including all the information about your damages. Your damages are not just your medical expenses. They're also your pain and suffering, your lost wages. There's a number of things that we can include. There may be aggravating factors that we can present, such as, was the driver intoxicated when they hit you? These are the type of things that I like to do to make sure that my clients are recovering as much as possible. We often have to investigate the person that hit you and see if they have other assets or insurance policies that may be available to maximize your recovery. These cases sometimes go to trial, but we try to avoid doing that and get a settlement fast so that our clients can get on the path and resume their life, get on the path to recovery. If you'd like to know more about bicycle accidents, if you've been in one, you want to talk to an attorney, I'm always available here at the Kelly Law Team. Give us a call at 602-283-4122.